Today I'm going to show you how to customize your templates using Photoshop Elements, the newer versions, that's Elements 11 and up. I'm using 12, but it works the same way through all of those versions. The first thing that you need to do is click on Expert to make sure that you're in Expert mode. It's at the top of your screen here. And then we're going to open our file that we want to use. Now I'm using a Mac, so if you're on a PC, you may open yours a little bit different, but once you open your template, they work the same way. So go up to File and down to Open, and then find the file that you want to use. And then there are going to be two different files within your folder. There's going to be a JPEG or a PNG file, and that's going to be your preview image. That's just in there to show you what the template looks like. We're not actually going to edit that one. You can only edit the PSD. So we're going to pick the PSD file right here and then click Open, and that'll open up your template. Now the first thing they want to do is select my Move tool over here and click on this gray Place Image box if it's not already selected. This is my Layers panel over here, and if yours is not open, you can go up to Window and go down to Layers and click on the word Layers to make this check mark appear. If your check mark is already there, then you already have your Windows layer open somewhere. It may be somewhere else on your screen if you have your Photoshop set up different, but mine is on the side here, and I think that that's where they usually pop up. So click on that gray Place Image box and then go up to File and down to Place. And then you want to find the image that you want to use as your background and click Place. And now mine isn't quite large enough, so I'm going to click my Shift button and hold it and drag these corners so that my picture fills the whole template here. And then I'm going to click this green check mark to place it. And now let's change this text here. The $100, we want to go over here into our panel and click on the T for your text tool. And I'm going to change mine to be $150. And then I'm going to click this green check mark. And then I'm going to change the color of this blue flag down here. And the first thing that I need to do in order to change that is to go over to my Layers panel and take off this FX effect here. How I do that is I'm going to right click and go down to Clear Layer Style, and that will take that off. It will also turn your banner black, so we want to add a different color there. So we're going to go up here to our new fill layer and pick a solid color, and then I'm going to click OK because I kind of like this red color. Then in between this color layer and the graphic layer, you want to hold down your Alt or Option key until this little icon pops up, and then you're just going to click with your mouse and that will clip it down. So then if you want to change it from red, you can double click on this red box and you can move your eyedropper around your page if you want it to be that green color, or you can pick your very own color from all of these colors over here. And then once you like it, just click OK. And you can change all of the text and all of the graphic colors that way. And you can also change all of the text the same way as we did the $150.